guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we are going to be doing a traveling tree ring, and this is actually a custom piece for a friend of mine, and she pretty much wants beach colors with silver instead of gold, but I am gonna also add just a smidge of the gold in there. So I'm using white sand, some teal, some turquoise, and then a deep Pacific blue. I don't want to make this too dark, so I'm going to layer the turquoise and the white in here quite a bit. But I'm going to use these darker blues for some nice contrast. And I'm not going to overdo it on either the gold or the silver because both of those can kind of take over. And I think this is just going to be a beautiful piece. It's going to go along with some other pieces that I've done for her. So I'm going to keep going until my cup is full. All right, now that I have my cup full of paint, I'm going to be starting over here, and I'm going to do just a very small rotation as I travel down the canvas. And it is important to not let out too much paint at one time because you want to make sure you can get all the way down the canvas. I'm not always perfect at this. Yep, that's okay. So I did kind of run out over here, but we still have plenty of paint for the canvas, so I can just tilt essentially to adjust it as needed. And if you do have a worry about not being able to fully cover your canvas, feel free to add a little bit of extra paint. I think I'll add a little bit of this darker blue down here, just to kind of help the paint flow along this side. And now we're gonna go ahead and tilt. We don't want to run it off any one particular edge too quickly. We want to make sure we get most of the canvas covered. All right, there we go. At this stage, just go ahead and touch up the sides as needed. Make sure we get all the spots covered. And I'm gonna let this sit for just a little bit and then we'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Over here, we have a lot of that silver coming through. I think there was quite a bit that I put in at the beginning. And then if you go over here, we have a bit more contrast. I do love the peaks of gold coming through here. This area is personally my favorite. I like a lot of contrast and I love the gold. I'm not a huge silver fan, but I love how this all comes together, and I think this gives the perfect vibe that I was going for. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time.